Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is factorize 8x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3 plus 27z to the power 3 minus 18xyz. So guys, let us see how we can factorize the given expression. Here question has given us this polynomial 8x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3 plus 27z to the power 3 minus 18xyz. Question has given us this polynomial and question is asking us to factorize this. So guys, let us see how we are going to factorize this. Now I can write the above polynomial as, or this is equal to, instead of 8 I can write 2 to the power 3 and x to the power 3 as it is, plus y to the power 3 plus, instead of 27 I can write 3 to the power 3 and z to the power 3 as it is, and then minus 18xyz. So let me find out the prime factors of 18, which is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. That means the prime factors of 18, that is 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. These are the prime factors of 18. So instead of 18, I am going to write 2 into 3 and then xyz as it is. Now, or I can write the above line as, this is equal to 2 to the power 3 x to the power 3, I can write 2x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 z to the power 3, I can write 3z to the power 3. Now guys, you could see here we have 2x. So now I can consider this 2 and this x from here. So I can write this one as minus, minus 2x. Similarly, you could see here that we have only y. So I will get y here to the middle, this y to the middle, and then you could see that we have 3z here. So I can get this z to this y. I can attach this z to this y and I can write 3z. And after that, you would see that one more 3 is left. So I will write that 3 as it is. Hope guys you understood this, what I am trying to do. From these equations, 2x to the power 3, y to the power 3, 3z to the power 3, we could easily understand and we could consider this 18 xyz or 2 into 3 into 3 xyz like this, 3 into 2x into y into 3z. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Now let us look into here the other line, or I can write, let a is equal to 2x, b is equal to y, and c is equal to 3z. Guys, just I'm assigning a, b, c so that we will not get confused and we can easily work out this given expression. Or I can write this one is equal to, instead of, as we have assumed, a is equal to 2x, so I can now write a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus c to the power 3. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Then minus 3 into 2x. So instead of 2x I can write a, instead of y I can write b, instead of 3z I can write c. Now guys, you could see that what we got a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus c to the power 3 minus 3abc. And guys, this is nothing but this is one of the identities. If we solve this, we will, or if we solve one of the identities, let me note down that identity, a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the identity. if we multiply a plus b plus c into a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca, then we will get a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus c to the power 3 minus 3abc. Hope guys I am very clear. We are going to use this identity. Let me assign this one as equation 2. Let me assign this one as equation 2. If this is equation 2, now let me assign this particular line item as equation 1. Equation 1. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Which one I'm assigning? I'm assigning this line 2x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3 plus 3z to the power 3 minus 3 into 2x into y into 3z as equation 1. Now you will see why I'm assigning. Now let me note it down here. Now comparing, this is most important step. Now comparing, what I am going to compare? Now comparing equation 1. Now comparing equation 1. Now comparing equation 1 with equation 2. With equation 2. With equation 2. We can write what we can write? We can write equation 1. We can write equation 1 in the form of a plus b plus c into a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca. This identity, in the form of this identity, a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c into a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca. So guys, I hope I am very clear till here. What I wrote here actually, I wrote here that now comparing equation 1. Now comparing equation 1 with equation 2, we can write equation 1 in the form of a plus b plus c, a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca. Let us see how I am going to write now. So here abc, that means I can write instead of a, I can write 2x plus y. Instead of y I am writing b. Instead of b I am writing y. Why? Because you could see that we have already assigned a is equal to 2x, b is equal to y and c is equal to 3z. So 2x plus y plus 3z I can write into a to the power 2, 2x to the power 2 plus b to the power 2, y to the power 2 plus c to the power 2, 3z to the power 2 minus a 2x into b is y minus bc which is y into 3z minus ca which is 2x into ca which is 3z into 2x. Guys, we should not get confused. You could see that I wrote how wrong. So we need to be very careful in writing all these things. We should not get confused with the values. Or this is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z and then 2x to the power 2 is 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus 3z to the power 2 is 9z to the power 2. Or I can write, let me write it down like this guys, it would be more easy and more helpful. So 2x to the power 2 is nothing but 2 to the power 2 x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus 3z to the power 2 is nothing but 3 to the power 2 and z to the power 2, then minus 2xy as it is minus y into 3z as it is and then minus 3z into 2x as it is. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write the next step, the next line or the next step edge. I can write or that is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z into 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 2 as 2 to the power 2 is 4 x to the power 2 as it is plus y to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9 z to the power 2 minus 2x into y is 2xy minus 3yz minus 3 to the 6 6xz. This is our answer, guys. This is our answer. What is our answer? We got the answer as 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus 9z to the power 2 minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. This is our answer. Now let me highlight this one. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. I am taking much time so that I can explain you, but you guys can do it easily and quickly within few minutes. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.